I want to create this for all people that are struggling giving the SAT10 test. The problem I was having is that let me get rid of this. I was trying to select um, the battery of tests, and I was only given choice of these three right here. I couldn't get this to appear so I can give my students the test. I was only given this. This is very frustrating, and there's nothing that seems to help. The inventory um, seems to have shown that we had paid for the test. We had paid for 24 right here. The order history showed the same thing. So I was very frustrated that I could not do a test. Um, I could not proctor the test. I only had practice, practice, and practice. These three were only available. So what had to happen was we go to Tools here, and then from here you go to Test Administrations, and we go to New. Okay, and then on New, you want to change this. Well, we're using the reading and just the math. He's changed it just to reading the math. You set your dates, how many students are taking it. We have all our students taking it online, so we put them all here, and then we save. Now, once all that happened, let's cancel this. Okay, it finally appeared here, and so appearing here tells us that we're now ready to take a test. So appearing here, now when we go to test delivery, we're able to actually start the test delivery. Now, for the names, I've already have 5 names that we use. We use reading vocabulary, so I choose this one. Then I go to the Stanford test, and then for the selection, I'm going to choose reading vocabulary. I want these two to match, and we're going to create that session for the kids. Okay, that's ready. Then we're going to go back to, and we're going to use this number to get to the kids so they can test in. So that's reading vocabulary. Next, I'm going to do a reading comprehension, and then let's select the test, and then the subject. This will be reading comprehension. I'll click this, and then we'll create that session. And let's see. Let's go back. Test delivery. Now let's go to mathematics, and we're going to select 2025 again, and then select mathematics, and then create that session. And let's go back here. Next, on the problem solving, let's go here and select that. Problem solving is, there we go. And then we'll create a session for problem solving. And once again, test delivery, name of session, and math procedures will be the last one we'll create. And once again, we'll choose the fall. And math procedures is right here. And these are the 5 areas that we test our students in. Okay, so we'll be able to click here and check on the students' progress and see how they're doing. And we will give them their session numbers so they can log into these 5 sessions.